What's going on, guys? So coming to you today with an unboxing video. This is the Anytone AT 778 UV. Now, if you have been following our channel and watching some of our videos, we did an unboxing video on the Anytone 878 UV, and I'll post a link to it up here for you. But this is going to be on the mobile radio. This is a dual band VHF UHF or 2 meter 70 centimeter radio. We're going to pop it out of the box here real quick. You get an instruction manual here with it. It's a pretty in-depth manual. I like its simplicity as far as installation and setup, but it also goes into how to program some of the stuff and things of that nature. Now, we're going to pop into the box here. Looks like we'll take the cardboard sleeve out, and the first thing in here is going to be the actual radio itself. We'll slide it out of the box, and there you go, guys. That is the Anytone AT 778 UV radio. Pretty simplistic, pretty small package, especially if you have a smaller vehicle or something. This works great. We have it in a car that we have here at the house that we drive, and it works good in it. We have an external speaker port, an SO259 connector in the back, which will accept the PL259 antenna connectors. Short pigtail with a connector, and then flip around to the front and you've got your programmable buttons with your function power, and this knob does volume as well as channel control. Now we'll dig on into the box here for the rest of the items. First thing coming up is a pretty long power cable, so they do give you enough power cable to run this. It does have 2 fuses in it. I'm not exactly sure the reasoning behind that, but you do have the 2 fuses for protection. We got a little package here that has our thumb screws that attaches to the sides, and yep, here is the mounting bracket. So it does come with a mounting bracket, the thumb screws, 2 little rubber isolation washers, and 2 Phillips head screws with star washers to be able to mount this down, and they include an extra fuse in there as well. Digging a little bit deeper here for the last thing that's in the box, that's going to be the microphone. And this was a selling feature for me on the Anytone radio. I liked this. This is a full keypad mic. Uses a RJ45 or like a network style connector to plug into the front of the radio up here. Clicks in. The one that we've got in the car seems to hold up and do pretty good. Haven't had any problems with it. Was concerned maybe that it might pull out, but it does lock in and stay well. Flipping over here, we have the full keypad mic. Now, these side buttons are fully programmable. You can change those settings in the CPS software, as well as you can program frequencies from the keypad, and you can use your AB selector to switch between your bands. Push to talk button on the side. We have an up and down button here, which can be programmed to control either the channels or the volume. And then you have a lock button here that locks the keypad and doesn't allow you to press anything on there. So guys, that is the unboxing on the Anytone AT 778 UV. If you want more in-depth information, especially on the ham radio side of this, hop on over to a channel that we've got, the HRN K2RCL channel, that is strictly just ham radio. On there, we're going to have a more in-depth discussion about this radio and the features and how it controls and works. We'll get into some of the programming and things of that nature. So stick with us. We're going to be coming to you with more videos. Be sure hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Drop comments or questions down below. Don't forget to jump over there and check out the HRN K2RCL channel, which is going to have more of your ham radio stuff.